Terra Luna Classic price has been trending upward since July, despite a market-wide crash on August 5th. Recent developments in the Terraform Labs liquidation have led Avalanche, AVAX, to buy back $60 million worth of AVAX tokens held by the Luna Foundation Guard, LFG, originally used to support the UST stablecoin. The AVAX price surged 17.5% on Tuesday following the news, but has since cooled down and is now 0.7% down. Now, the LUNC community speculates if the funds could be used for a LUNC buyback and burn, potentially boosting its price further. The AVAX token buyback plan by the Avalanche Foundation provides the LFG with $60 million in funds to use as bankruptcy court orders. Meanwhile, the Terra Luna Classic community has taken full control of the blockchain's leadership as TFL and LFG approach their final days. If the community uses this $60 million to buy back and burn LUNC, the price of Terra Luna Classic will likely see a significant impact. The LUNC price is currently trading at $0.0000886, down 0.6% in the last 24 hours. A $60 million purchase of LUNC would equate to 671 billion coins, or about 12% of the total circulating supply, with a current market cap of $506 million. To maintain this market cap with 12% of the supply gone, the price would need to adjust 17% upward, reaching $0.0001. The hype from the coin burn, combined with the potential 17% increase, could fuel fear of missing out, FOMO, leading to a cascading effect that drives LUNC prices higher than $0.0001. The Terra Luna Classic price chart reveals a clear ascending channel pattern, indicating a gradual uptrend within well-defined support and resistance lines. This trend is bullish as the price is consolidating near the middle of the channel, suggesting a potential upward move to $0.00015. Key support and resistance levels. $0.00008400. The lower boundary of the channel is acting as a strong support. This level has held multiple times in the past and offers a good entry point for traders looking to buy dips. $0.001500. The upper boundary of the channel is a key resistance zone. This is also near the projected Fibonacci extension target. The long-term outlook for Terra Luna Classic price remains bullish as long as the price remains within the ascending channel or breaks above it. Targeting the $0.001500 area provides a good risk-to-reward ratio, with the potential for extended gains if the broader market sentiment turns highly bullish. If the LUNC price falls below the channel, $0.000084, it may signal market weakness, invalidating the current bullish thesis. LUNC may find further support below around $0.000073 and $0.000054. The $60 million AVAX buyback creates a significant opportunity for the Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, community. If the community uses these funds for a buyback and burn, the reduction in circulating supply could push LUNC's price upward, potentially reaching $0.0001 or higher as crypto market sentiment shifts and FOMO develops. Currently, the Terra Luna Classic price bullish ascending channel indicates a potential rally toward $0.0015 as long as it maintains support at $0.000084. However, a drop below this level could signal weakness and lead to further declines. The next few weeks will be critical in shaping LUNC price action in light of the AVAX buyback announcement. In recent developments, a major disagreement has been brewing in the Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, community after a popular validator, Mr. Diamondhands, strongly opposed a new governance proposal. In an ex-post, Mr. Diamondhands, who runs LUNC.org, called the proposal one of the worst in recent times. He warned that it could have serious consequences for the network if approved. The governance proposal under criticism seeks to create a Terra Classic sub-DAO. This proposal hinges on plans to decentralize decision-making processes within the LUNC ecosystem. It also suggests creating a special team to respond to emergencies without waiting for full governance approval. The goal is to make decision-making faster and more efficient. However, This proposal has spurred mixed reactions among community members. Critics claim it could grant excessive, unchecked power to a select group and undermine the blockchain's decentralized ethos. Similarly, critics fear that bypassing traditional governance mechanisms could lead to decisions misaligned with the broader interests of the LUNC ecosystem. Notably, the proposal has garnered 39.41% approval, 7.95% opposition, and 25.47% votes marked as no with veto. The voter turnout is 28.95%, falling short of the 40% quorum required for passage. Mr. Diamondhands has emerged as a vocal critic of the proposal. In an X post, he termed it a realistic effort to develop centralized legitimacy under the pretense of decentralization. Meanwhile, a LUNC Telegram group screenshot has added to the debate. In the chat, a community member said they might leave the blockchain if the proposal fails. Another user agreed, raising concerns that the issue could split the community. Speaking on the above, Mr. Diamondhands pointed out that some supporters of the proposal have even threatened to leave if it does not pass. However, he firmly believes their departure would benefit the Terra Luna Classic network. Unfortunately, this dissension comes as the Terra Luna Classic, LUNC, community recently celebrated a major achievement. Reports show that the total number of LUNC tokens burned in the network has passed 400 billion. It is worth mentioning that despite market volatility and controversy, LUNC's price has stayed relatively stable, with no significant fluctuations observed. However, investors closely monitor the situation as substantial governance changes could influence market sentiment. As of this report, Terra Classic was trading at $0.00006361, increasing by 1.11% in the last 24 hours. IN-related news, CoinGape reported that the Terra Luna Classic community is considering reducing the 21-day waiting period for withdrawing staked LUNC. The International Monetary Fund, Terra USD/UST, which tracks the US dollar, and Terra KRW/KRT, which monitors the South Korean won, are two more Terra stablecoin denominations. By burning Luna, users mint new Terra, an algorithmic stablecoin or cryptocurrency that automatically tracks the price of other assets or currencies, can be paid for using Terra, an open-source blockchain payment platform. Users may instantaneously spend, save, trade, or exchange Terra stablecoins thanks to the Terra blockchain. Stablecoins are made via the Terra protocol and are intended to continuously follow the value of a fiat currency, which is a currency that is backed by the government, like the euro or the US dollar. Terra and Luna are the two cryptocurrency tokens that make up this system. Terra are stablecoins that are named after fiat currencies and follow their price. For example, the base Terra stablecoin, also known as Terra SDR or SDT, monitors the value of the special drawing rights issued by. On the other hand, Luna is utilized for mining and government. The staking token for the Terra system, Luna, takes on the volatility of the Terra stablecoin's prices. Users stake Luna to Terra blockchain miners, sometimes referred to as validators, who log and confirm transactions on the blockchain in exchange for payment in the form of transaction fees. Luna's value rises in tandem with Terra's utilization. Terra's main characteristics. In the quickly growing Asian e-commerce market, Terra seeks to increase value for consumers and efficiency for payment service providers. Terra challenges current retail payment apps with Cosmos blockchain technology. Terra circumvents the current disjointed payment infrastructure by offering a comprehensive end-to-end payment solution. Payment service companies might save hundreds of millions of dollars a year by utilizing Terra's technology. To handle the collateralizing procedures that support and protect the market stability of Terra's stablecoins, the Terra crypto network uses its native Luna currency as a governance token and utility. Terra's advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Software developers can create their own protocols and dApps on top of Terra using the blockchain-agnostic development platform that is part of the Terra ecosystem. A number of currency-linked stablecoins are supported by the Terra protocol. Tokens from Terra Luna contribute to the stability of its stablecoin. To increase or decrease supply, It promotes trade between stablecoins and Luna. Terra unveiled Anchor, a lending and savings platform. Users can deposit money and earn interest on stablecoins using this protocol. Drawbacks: Ethereum and other significant cryptocurrency ventures are still ahead of Terra. Since its developers live in Korea, the majority of Bitcoin transactions involving Terra start there. Whether Terra-related currencies will gain traction elsewhere is too soon to say. Ethereum is more decentralized than Terra. Some blockchain purists could be put off by this. To be more specific, Terra is a payment system that is based on a blockchain. It was created by Terraform Labs, a South Korean company established in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Do Kwon. After working for Apple and Microsoft, Do Kwon started Anify, a firm that provided decentralized wireless mesh networking solutions. Shin co-founded the Korean e-commerce startup Tmon, formerly called Ticket Monster, and is the founder and CEO of Chai, an Asian payment technology company that is a Terra partner. Terra has 114 projects spanning DeFi, Web 3.0, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, as part of its expanding crypto ecosystem, which aims to become a top e-commerce stablecoin payment and DeFi service provider. Among these projects are Anchor Protocol, a fixed-yield platform that offers easy access and borrowing yields. In South Korea, Chai is a payments app with more than 2 million users. Terra. The Terra blockchain serves as the foundation for this decentralized lottery platform. Mirror Protocol enables the development of synthetics or fungible assets that mimic the pricing of actual assets. Talus Protocol, an online marketplace enabling artists to provide their talents and sell their works. Vega Protocol, a derivatives trading and minting platform. The Terra protocol aims to keep the price of the Terra stablecoin stable by making sure that supply and demand are always balanced through the use of arbitrage. This is because the main value of stablecoins is derived from the stability of the price peg, theoretically avoiding the volatility typical of cryptocurrencies. Luna absorbs the volatility of the Terra stablecoin and acts as its variable balance. Imagine the entire Terra economy as being made up of a Terra pool and a Luna pool, which are utilized to modify the pricing through incentives for network users. This will help you grasp how Terra operates. Even after last year's crash, the developers are still putting in a lot of effort to keep the project running smoothly. The Terra Luna Classic developers presented a significant request to create and enhance liquid staking derivatives. According to a news story that surfaced on CoinGape a few weeks ago, the proposal states that in order to implement Quicksilver, an interchain liquid staking protocol for the Cosmos ecosystem, developers aim to modify the permitted interchain account host messages. This enables the Quicksilver chain to execute permitted messages and transparently create and manage accounts on the Terra Luna Classic chain. By enhancing network security and decentralization, it will also optimize liquidity and capital efficiency and permit interchain staking on any validators. Additionally, it eliminates the need for an unbonding period to pass before a position holder can sell the assets they have staked. You should be aware that the Terra Luna developers are still trying to improve the project in light of this. This is to let you know that there is still hope for Terra Luna. I think everything will be all right very soon. I also think Terra Luna's investment can make you wealthy. However, it all relies on how much you are prepared to hang on to, how much you expect from the market, and how much you are putting in Terra Luna Classic. Terra Luna's native token is called LUNC. The video will finish at this point. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and make prudent investments. Thank you.